If you're looking for a naturopathy center near Mumbai, then you must try Nirvana Naturopathy. Post a consultation with the Ayurvedic doctors, they immediately put me onto a treatment which included a sattvic healthy diet. They woke me up early morning and I tried my hand at an Ayurvedic routine and I learned how to do new things with Ayurveda. I loved doing yoga in the morning and meditating, which left me feeling so much calmer. The rest of the day was spent in hydrotherapy, hot stone massages, and Ayurvedic treatments, all personally tailored for me. Before I left, I did check out the healthy store and I picked up a lot of goodies. I felt so calm and serene in this place. I definitely feel it's something that everyone should try, and it's so close to the city.